Hello everyone, how are you? We know it's very difficult to choose the best product for a home according to our budget. Don't worry, to make your purchase decision easier and save you time, in today's video we picked only the finest items for you. We make this list based on features, price and actual user reviews. So if you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you're buying the best product. Please check the description below for product links and updated prices. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So, let's go for top 5.
Our first pick is Chardor Personal Blender. I really like this blender. I love making smoothies with it. It's not too loud, and it does a pretty good job chopping everything up, but sometimes it struggles with bigger items. With 3 adjustable speeds and a 300 watts motor, the Chardor Personal Blender packs enough power to break down tough ingredients like leafy greens, nuts, ice, and fruits to create nutrient extractions. Smoothie blender with 10 ounces and 20 ounces blender cups with spout lids, you can enjoy your healthy drinks on the go anytime, anywhere. Turn the bottle clockwise until it clicks into place. The portable blender works only when it is locked to avoid unnecessary accidents. This personal smoothie blender has 4 suction cup feet that keep it stable on the countertop when blending. All parts are BPA free to ensure healthy and safe drinking. This blender will only work when the bottle is installed properly in the locked place. There are 3 speeds for different kinds of food. It is powerful than I expected. It takes less than 15 seconds to make a smoothie with ice cubes and frozen berries or ice cube with instant coffee powder. Also, it is easy to clean cup and the blades. Number 2 in this best blender under $50 list is Magic Bullet Blender. Blenders are nice, but bullets are just more efficient and more functional for those who love to make sauces, ground coffee beans, shakes and smoothies. Blenders are good for large-scale smoothie shops or for large families, but for single people or small families, the Magic Bullet is the most versatile investment you can get. The Magic Bullet chops, mixes, blends, whips, grinds and more, all with a simple twist of the wrist. Our included recipe guide can help you make quick, easy, and delicious dishes from appetizers to desserts. Just load your ingredients into the cup, twist on the blade, line up the tabs and place on the power base. The Magic Bullet chops, mixes, blends, whips, grinds and more. Cups are made out of high-impact plastic. Effortlessly create your favorite meals and snacks like smoothies, omelets, sauces and dips. 250 watts high torque power base. Simply rinse with soap and water. The cups are top rack dishwasher safe. Our third choice is Müller Austria hand blender. This smart blender is amazing. I've had other hand blenders before, but this one takes the cake by a landslide. The attachments all fit great and connect easily. I love the ability to adjust the speed dial in addition to the turbo power button. It is a very sturdy immersion blender and love the so many adjustable speed and turbo settings, and for the price, really can't beat it. I get the chopper, whisk, and the immersion blender, designed and engineered to outlast and outperform the competition. Comfortable and easy to use, makes all your mixing or blending tasks easier than ever. 12 speeds give you maximum choice and precision to prepare salsas, shakes, smoothies, baby food, and more. 800 watts of power drives consistently smooth results and high performance. Use the turbo boost for maximum speed and a more homogeneous mixture. Save money, time and effort with the multi-functions of the immersion blender. The bell-shaped blending base reduces suction and splashing, so you can blend and puree in less time and whisk and chop in seconds. With a convenient hook to store and easy to detach dishwasher safe attachments, this is your smart choice blender for kitchen functionality. It is also very well made and easy to clean. For details, let's watch more. Fourth pick in this best blender under $50 list is Kio's Personal Blender. This blender comes with two different blades, one for blending and one for grinding. It grinds oats, nuts, and rice into a wonderful fine flour texture. The blades themselves function with power. Thanks to Kio's Personal Blender, enhanced with a brand new 850-watt powerful, pure copper, high-torque motor, nutrient extraction blades turn your ingredients into a smoothly blended drink in a flash. The bullet blender is easy to clean. A bottle brush is included to make washing the portable blender cup effortless. Exactor blades, travel bottles and lids are dishwasher safe. Make your smoothies, shakes, iced drinkings and juices while traveling, before doing sports in seconds. Easy to get nutrient and vitamin extracts hidden in fruits and veggies. Extra flat blade and cup to grind coffee beans and nuts. Kio's Bullet Smoothie Maker and Juice Blender with 6-leaf cross and flat 2-leaf blades design allows to blend and extract nutrients easily. Turn toughest whole foods into nutritious shakes, smoothies, and nut butter in 10 seconds. Enjoy tasty and healthy homemade beverages everywhere. Let's watch more. Our fifth and last choice is Vapsi Blender. This blender made by good material and it is easy to handle, powerful, and doesn't overheat easily. It has great blending and chopping power. The Vapsi electric hand blender offers very convenient variable speed and instant turbo. Its turbo button gives real turbo spin. Double whisk make lotion dry so easy, splash a bit though, just be careful. You can easily adjust the speed to fit different foods and purposes. Sleek and compact design means it takes up less space on your counter than a hand mixer. Detachable accessories for easy to clean. Simply rinse under warm tap water or top rack dishwasher safe, but don't immerse the motor into the water. Made of food grade stainless steel, provides even faster whipping of egg whites and creams. With this whisk, you are having a hand mixer. It will save many time to prepare the ingredients of cakes, cookies, meringues and other dessert. It is easy to make seasoning meat sauce, spaghetti sauce etc. Also meets your daily needs of preparing soup, baby food, savory meat pies, casseroles etc. Enjoy the tasty food any time of the year. Detachable stick blender. Easy to switch attachments by snap on and snap off during use, combination use of chopper, blender, milk frother, egg whisk. Effortlessly clean after use with a dishwasher safe blender foot and attachments with an eject button for easy removal. For details, let's watch more.